Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make gummy candy in a water bottle. Prepare a heat-safe cup, a small funnel, and a whisk, then heat the juice gently to 40-50 degrees C to dissolve gelatin. Whisk until smooth and bubble-free, pour slowly through the funnel into the bottle, and cool evenly. Chill in the fridge until set, then slice the plastic to release the gummies, trimming edges for clean shapes. In this video, I will show how to make gummy candy in a water bottle. Heat the juice carefully until warm, sprinkle gelatin while whisking constantly, and stop when the mix looks glossy and uniform. Add a teaspoon of honey or sugar if needed, then pour through a funnel into the bottle to avoid spills. Let the mixture rest to release bubbles before sealing and chilling for firm gummies that hold shape well. In this video, I will show how to make gummy candy in a water bottle. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh ride after candy crafting sessions. It's a small touch that keeps your car pleasant when transporting treats, and it's funny how a nice smell completes the experience. Subscribe and like if this helped. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make gummy candy in a water bottle. After pouring, cover the bottle mouth with cling film and set bottles upright in a stable spot in the fridge. Allow at least 2 to 4 hours for full setting, then slice open the bottle lengthwise and gently push gummies out. Trim any excess material, pat gummies dry, and store in an airtight container for the best chew and freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.